Hello there. Welcome back to Accounting Space. In this video, we want to look at a question from a question paper of March test 2022. So we are going to look at question 4.2 on that question paper that is on the box and whisker plot. So our question is that the box and whisker plot below shows the monthly salary in the law in thousands of rands. So we can just take note that is in thousands of rands. So I believe at the box and whisker plot, we are given questions whereby please use information above to answer the following questions. 4.2.1 determine the difference in the median salaries of the law and the business fields. So we have got the law and we also have got the business. So in terms of the difference between the medians, so we can just refer to our box and whisker plot. So you'll see that according to business, we have got our median at this point, that is year, and just try to see what we have in terms of our median of our business. You see that we have got 85 here at the median. So we're saying this is representing our median, and we have 85, and we are saying 85, but if you look there, it is in thousands. So we say 85 times 1,000, we are going to get your 85,000. And then we go to the low part, whereby we are saying the median is here and try to go down with our median. We see that we are here, which is, if you check there, you see that it is just behind our 75 here. So obviously, approximately, this is going to be our 74. And the multiply by 1,000, it becomes 74,000. So basically, we are saying it's a representation of 74,000. So we have 74,000 here. So now I want to calculate the difference in median salary. So we are saying 4.2.1, 4.2.1. We are saying 85,000 minus 74,000. Minus 74,000. We know that this is, we can express our figures in rands, whereby saying if you subtract there, you're going to get to 11,000. So we move to the next part of our question, which now reads, calculate the interquartile range for the business field. You may use the formula interquartile range equal to Q3 minus Q1. So we go to the business field. We see that our business field is here, and we are saying our Q3 is represented by this point, and then our Q1 is represented by this point. So basically, that's what we have. So what we need to do now is to try to find out what values do we have in terms of Q3 and Q1. So obviously, I will start with a Q3, whereby we are here. I will try to see what we have there. So obviously, this is represented by 95,000. If you check, you've got 95,000 here. And then I will see in terms of Q1, at this point, if you go down, you see that this is slightly just behind our 70, slightly above our 75. So approximately, again, we can just regard it in the range of 76. So we have 76,000. Remember, we are expressing it in thousands. So now, in terms of the interquartile range, we are being given the formula that interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. So on our answer section, we are saying 4 points at 2.2, and we are saying interquartile range is equal to Q3 minus Q1. So basically, it's equal to our figures is given. We are now saying 85,000 minus 76,000. So we're saying 85,000 minus 76,000. So we try to see what figure do we get there in terms of our. So we are having 95. We can just correct here, whereby we are saying the figure that we have here is 95. So it means we've got a wrong figure here, which we can just simply correct by saying we have a 95. So we say 95,000 minus 76,000. I would see that the answer that we are going to get there becomes 19,000. So we are saying, remember here, it's an expression in rands. So if you subtract, you're going to get your 19,000. So basically, this is our answer. Then we go to the last part according to this video, whereby we are saying, instead, a statement was made that 75% of people in the law field earn a salary less than 50% in the business field. Verify if this statement is correct, show all calculations. So basically, we are just going to refer to our box and whisker plots, and we'll try to find out about that situation that we are that we have presented there, whereby we are saying 75% of people in the law field earn a salary less than 50% in the business field. So if you come here, we see that where we have the 50% of the business field, which is 85, that's where we are having the 75 mark for the law. So basically, we can represent it in the form of the values on the horizontal axis that we are given. That is here, where we have got our values. So basically, we are saying on the answer section, we are going to present it in such a way that we say this is now our 4.2.3, whereby we are saying Q3 of law. If you refer back, Q3 of law, we are having there Q3 of law here. We try to go down with Q3 of law. That is at this point to try to go down. You see that it's here. You can just maybe try to, if you go down, you see that it's almost presented just behind just behind our 85. So it means our Q3 of our law is being presented as 84,000. So we can just maybe try it again to just highlight whereby we are here, and it's just behind our 85. So it becomes 84. So we are saying it's 84. So we can just indicate it on our answer section is our Q3 of law is equal to 84,000. Business is equal to, check our Q2 of business, whereby we say business there, that's where we have now our 50%. And if you go down, you see that it's on 85. So it's equal to 85,000. So by this, by what we have indicated here, we have shown that 75% of people in the law field earn a salary less than 50% in the business field. As we are saying, at this point that we are having there in the law field is indicating our upper cut, which is 75%. So basically, and this point is indicating our 50%. So basically, that's what we have. So let's just take note of that. So with that expression that we have given on our answer section, we have actually proved that 75% of people in the law field earn a salary less than 50% in the business field. So this is exactly what we have according to this video. So thank you for listening. Let's not forget to hit the subscribing button and turning on the notification button, so that when we have new uploads, you get notified. Multiple examination questions will be uploaded on this channel. So let's stay tuned. Let's get notified. Let's meet again in the next video. As for this video, I'm out.